like the 4th of July. Just to stare, I get those butterflies. I tell myself this time I won't catch feelings, but still I feel them. Cause I heard it all before, broken record store. I see us together all the time, only in my mind. Maybe when we're dancing side by side, locking eye to eye. Yeah, can you pull me closer? Cause lately, feeling I'm so unlike myself. Been acting like I'm somebody else. What's wrong with me? I can't figure it out. Yeah, I'm so unlike myself. Yeah, I'm so unlike myself. I've always been quite bad at slowing down. I hope it's different now this time around. I'm feeling that it will be when you're with me. Yeah, when you're with me. There's no mirrors in the room. See myself in you. Something's growing deeper within me. Anyone can see all the sparks igniting pink and blue. You can see it too. So why deny it? Cause lately, feeling I'm so unlike myself. Been acting like I'm somebody else. What's wrong with me? I can't figure it out. Yeah, I'm so unlike myself. Yeah, I'm so unlike myself. When you touch me, I can't think clearly. Something about this feeling made me change. Yeah, I'm so unlike myself.
Have you ever felt like giving up because you tried and tried, but for the 100th time the stars just won't align? Have you ever had a broken heart that even time won't heal, because you'd rather feel the pain than say goodbye? I know I have drowned in holy water, had my spirit shaken. If you've ever felt like this, can I get a amen? Amen. Can I get a amen? Amen. But we won't be knocked down forever. We will rise back up again. So can I get a amen? Amen. Have you ever found you lost your way, sailing a sea of tears, caught in a storm of fears that rages through the night? And do you ever wish that time could stop, so you can finally breathe and find a little peace your life has been denied? Oh, I know I have drowned in holy water, had my spirit shaken. If you've ever felt like this, who can I get a amen? Amen. Can I get a amen? Amen.
What?
We won't be knocked
Which burger?
forever.
This is the fridge.
Back
Let me go and spray my clothes. Did you put burger inside the fridge? Did you put any burger in the fridge? Why? It's the burger in the fridge. Why? What? This one is what you're calling burger. And this is the call burger. Cheese ball. Say cheese ball. Say cheese ball. Say cheese ball. Say cheese. Open it for you when we are inside. Can be a seal, yes. Can be a seal. Yeah. So guys, welcome. Hi. So I want to make cinnamon roll. Not because I am craving it though, no, because my cooking cream, Mona Shison went to the, so madam went to the fridge and used her teeth to open my cooking cream. So for it to spoil, I have to use it. That is why I am making the cinnamon roll, not because I am craving it though. I'm running away from sugar now. That, you know, that this video they say, where are you running? That is how I'm running away from sugar. Think that's that in your mouth. Spit it. Apre. Okay, let's make the cinnamon roll. So today is Sunday. At least the family will shop it this Sunday afternoon. Yeah.
I see love here. I see moments so tender and sweet. I see half of yourself in the other.
Don't put your hand on that. Hey God.
Through sunshine and rain, it's good all the same. You'll face it together, you share more than a name.
Don't lick it too. Hi. All Malian are here. You go chala white before we will finish this food. Now white you go chala now. Leave it. Let mama do it. Let mama do it, please. Don't you mix. You do mixing later. Maybe you are going to be whitish. Do you want to be whitish? I finished with that one. Thank God. Muna. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't know why I was wasting my time in fitting this thing that does not have wahala. If this plate break, Mia, Daddy will finish me and you. Where? Take. See the egg self. The egg did not mix well. Wait, the egg did not mix well. Mama, wait. Don't worry. Take it. Mix it, Chala. I'm doing it according to the batch the lady is doing. So wait, baby, this one is hard. See, mommy's body. See? No, Jesus Christ. If not see paper inside, this one I chop on here. Me a cosa. Media now, you can't do that, okay? Because wait till I can give me this thing. Which your own? I beg. Mona Chiso. You can't do that. Now you know who took injection for drink. Oh God. Oh yeah, take. Wait, let me do mix, and I'll give you some to mix for yourself. Sorry, I don't tire for you.
Mine, two, mine, two, mine, two, mine, two,
Ebole.
mine, two,
Ebole.
mine. Yay!
1, 2, 1, 2. It's only 1, 2, you know, Abby. You don't know 3 and 4, yeah? You are cooking. Oh, hey man, I'm cooking. Like say, don't turn to chef. Like mother, like daughter, like godmother, even like father self. Who knows? Every time I'm cooking. Yeah, wait. We don't need you. If you don't have $50, I say $50, $50,000, you're not eating in that. You're not eating in that restaurant. 50,000 is a restaurant that you eat it with the water. Inside water. You use submarine. See this boy. That time, me and I are spoiling my this thing. What's your problem? Married to go inside the restaurant.
Come on.
Eh? How you go fall inside water? You don't fall inside water. And I don't understand. They build the restaurant inside the sea. So if you are going to the restaurant, you have to enter submarine to enter inside this thing. Yes.
Sure.
Now people get different creativity. You don't know. See, as I think now, person feel go collect the thinking now. Because so you can imagine now. So you can imagine. So if they can build a train that pass underwater, you can now build. You can equally build a restaurant inside the water. I'm telling you now. Metal and also this thing. What they call it? You use a glass so that people can be seeing the ocean inside the ocean, the whale. The whale and the rest, and audio animals inside the ocean. Somebody feel that kind of thing, no? Just as you can go to the moon, why won't you not go enter inside water? Eh? As you can go to moon now, why you not go enter?
Have you ever felt
Not
like
much. I'm going to make this thing. I ate this one.
because you tried and tried, but for the 100th time the stars just won't align.
Ronaldo.
Have you ever had a broken
So which one now
heart that even time won't heal?
I don't hear what they give me.
Because you'd rather feel the pain than say goodbye.
I want to watch ball. I sleep inside the room. I don't make money. Just sleep.
I have drowned in holy water, and my spirit shaking. If you've ever felt like
Nice. You're spoiling this thing now. Which kind of wine is this one?
Amen. Amen. Can I get a amen? Amen. But we won't be now. Have you ever found you lost your way? Sailing a sea of tears, caught in a storm of fears that rages through the night. And do you ever wish that time could stop, so you can finally breathe and find a little peace your life has been denied?
That one does scatter. Siam. Oh yeah. Very, very sweet.
Diabetes.
Sugar. Sugar is not good. Which one you want to see? This big one, I because I know I'm gonna see like the cinnamon. See your own here now. What are you looking for again? Please eat this thing and drink green tea.
Why?
Because you to kill down the sugar. Yeah, it's okay. Run, run and go, run and fly. Fly, fly, fly. You fly away. Where are you flying? You fly away. Where are you going? You fly away. Fly, fly, fly. You fly away. Papa wants to. Miga, you want to finish the listen? The next I take the small one. It's the big one. Yeah, take this one.
I know
Cinnamon.
you yet
Cinnamon.
know that you're in your room putting makeup on.
This is effect.
You know me
What's on that?
yet know
Like it?
about all my dreams and where I went wrong. I stress way too much about what I want, 'cause it's not here yet. You talk in your sleep, almost heavenly, when you said we are once in a lifetime waiting, getting high in your arms. I know that love can be so frustrating, pulling down on your eyes. And we are both so inexperienced, never wanted to see. It woke me up when I saw your teardrops, when you said that you were falling for me. They know how we ran around seeking common ground for some time. We both made our beds and cleared up our heads, committed no crime. I give up shoulder, help friends get over, us to stay. Then you came along, and not a moment for wrong. When you said, we are once in a lifetime waiting, getting high in your arms.
Eh?
I know that love
You don't like it?
frustrating,
Okay.
down on your eyes. And we are both so inexperienced, never wanted to see. It woke me up when I saw your teardrops, when you said that you were falling for me. Oh, you were falling for me. So it's Friday
We are going to brush our teeth to go to school. Is that what you tell your teacher? Where is fun for teacher? You go to school. You go to school. Is you a good girl? Open your teeth. Brush. Muna, oh yeah. No time. I'm cooking now. The one okay. See. Oh yeah, stay. Let me brush it for you. Yeah, I need to get you a brush. This one is. You don't like this one. Alright, show me your tongue. Let's wash your tongue. Show me your tongue. Your auntie says show me your tongue. What will you do? Bring out your tongue. Bring it out. Good girl. We're going to school. School. Spit. Show me your tongue. Please. We wash our tongue. This is Remy. Wash her tongue. Wash your tongue. This is Remy. Wash your tongue. Early in the morning. Spit. Finish. But we're not going now. Yeah, you're school, but you're not going now. Take it from. You have to eat first.
I see love here. I see smiles and laughter and cheer. I see hearts that'll trust in each other for the rest of their years. I see family. You'll help grow up strong, knowing nothing comes close to the life that you hold in your arms. Through sunshine and rain, it's good all the same. You'll face it together, share more than a name. Through sunshine and rain, you'll come out okay. You're never alone on the path that you take. I see love here. I see moments so tender and sweet. I see half of yourself in the other, together complete. Through sunshine and rain, it's good all the same. You'll face it together, share more than a name. Through sunshine and rain, you'll come out okay. You're never alone on the path that you take. I see marriage with your very best friend. I see love that you hold each other from now till the end.
No, baby, no. What's my phone?
Fireworks like the 4th of July. Just to stare, I get those.
Right, I'm doing like a little challenge, okay, of myself wearing my belly belt for since morning till afternoon. This is like 4:10, okay. So what I had in the morning was 2 cups of Lipton, okay, 2 cups of Lipton. Then did I eat any food? No, I didn't eat any food. I think so. I didn't eat any food. Yeah, I'm not eating. So right now I want to eat the salmon and egusi soup. But I was drinking that Lipton, okay, 2 cups of Lipton without sugar. All right. Then I'm wearing this. You guys know this now. Oh, sorry. You guys know this in the channel already. So I'm wearing it, okay. You guys saw my previous vlog whereby I was saying my stomach is getting pooper. Okay, so we are taking care of it now. I'm doing a challenge. I'll be wearing this for maybe 7 days. I can stretch to 2 weeks, but I'll be wearing it every day and be drinking 2 cups of lifting every day and be eating by God's grace around 4. Let's see what we'll get. Alright, so this is day 1. Sorry I didn't take you guys immediately. I just thought about it and decided to do it. So this is. Ooh. Whoa, that was something. Oh. Okay, this is the one. Okay. Show you guys again now. This is the one. Guys, how that thing felt was like, you know, when you tie something. No, I've settled her. So it felt like, you know, when you push something together, like when you're squeezing, when you squeeze something together, and when you now let go, that's how it felt. So I suck something together inside. Anyway, I don't know how I explain it, but as I removed that belly belt, it felt so good. Like I felt relieved. Anyway, let me eat. I'll show you guys in the next clip, okay?
You out of my head. Try to stray, try to forget, but the thoughts, they seem to drown me instead.
Oh, thank you, baby.
I've always wondered what it takes to feel this empty void inside. But now I've realized you were what I needed this whole time. Every minute, every hour I spend is on you every single day. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. Something about you makes me wanna be with you for a long time. Do ba do be do be do day. Do ba do be do be do day. Do ba do be do be do day. Do ba do be do da da da.
I see love here. I see smiles and laughter and cheer. I see hearts that'll trust in each other for the rest of their year.
Okay, now if it's 300 grams, then they put it according to the grams. Or start from the beginning.
I see family. You'll help grow up strong, knowing nothing comes close to the life that you hold in your arms. Through sunshine and rain,
It's 4.
you face it together.
411. Okay, so I'm going to be removing this our waist something. I've been wearing this since morning, so
I see moments so tender and sweet. I see half of yourself in the other. Together complete. Through sunshine and rain.
Come out yourself and your siblings from there. Then your siblings should come out for the sister.
Through sunshine and rain, you'll come out okay. You're never alone on the path that you take. I see marriage, your very best friend. I see love that you'll hold in each other from now till the end.
Just took off this sauce. The sauce tastes so good. Like, give me this one. Tasted so good. I can't wait to chop it. I'm eating it with my rice and this. Come, let's eat. Let's eat yum yum. No light, guys. It's like no light. I hope they on the gen today, because the way things are just expensive. I don't know if they on the estate gen. This chicken is super soft. Mayush. Bagama.